All right, our lesson part 3, we're going to take this and we are going to compare these 3 graphs. So we have a dot plot, we have a box plot, and we have a histogram. All of these 3 are showing data for the same numbers. So they're test scores of students in a math class. So which graph is best for finding the most common test score? So the most common, these 2, I can't really tell if it's 80 or 89, 80, 81, 82, 83. I don't know the most common, but I know it's in that range. This one doesn't really tell me too much. But this one, the first one, there we go. That first one, it does tell us that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So both of these, so 80 and 92 are going to have the most common test scores. So it is going to be a dot plot because we were able to figure it out. So you're going to drag that circle over that dot plot. We were able to figure out the most common from the dot plots. That was the easiest. So how does drawing a dot plot help order the data values from least to greatest? So in this box, we're going to type. So a dot plot, when we look at it, it shows how many points are in each value. So we can put, it shows how many points, or how many data points are at each value in order. So it shows how many data points are at each value in order. So it actually tells you how many people scored that percent on the test. Which graph is best if you want to know how many people scored a B? All right, I mean, yes, we can take a look and we can kind of count here. We can be like, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoo! This one, I mean, we don't know how many people scored a B, but I mean, this last one, a histogram, if we were to look at the histogram, a B is between 80 and 89%. Look at that. We just go right over here and there's 10. Whoa, that was the easiest one. So, whoa, why did I put test scores? That should be histogram. My bad. I don't even know why. Histogram. So that should be a histogram. Last one. Which graph is best for a teacher who wants to know the range of scores for the bottom 25%, the middle 50%, and the top 25%? So remember, we can't really tell percent with the dot plot and the histogram, but we can tell percents. Remember, the first part is 25%, so between 70 and 80 is 25%. The middle 50 is our box, so between 80 and 92-ish. And then the top 25% is this part, the other 1/4. So this is actually going to be represented in a box plot. So it's going to be box plot. And that's going to be it for our lesson part 3. Don't stress, this is a little bit new, kind of reading them. You can watch this video as many times as you want. And other than that, great job.